Wow, it's been a minute, man. Your boy Credit K. I'm back. You know, I teach you how to get business credit, personal credit, crypto, anything help you level up in life. You know we about that on this channel. So if something you're interested in, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm here with another banger about business credit cards. The Navy Federal Biz Go Reward card, guys. Woo, that thing is nice. Yeah, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Now, this Biz Go Reward card, give you a couple of data points off the top, pulls from Experian. Now, one thing that you guys are getting misconstrued, my big TI words, about business credit is that you think soon as you form a business and you get a couple of trade lines, a couple of net 30s, then you have business credit and you can get any type of funding you need. That is not true. 95% of credit products are going to require a personal guarantee. That means you're going to need a strong Social Security credit score. All right. In order to get that credit score, you got to have low utilization. Not a lot of car loans, not a lot of credit cards with high balances. Keep your inquiries down, under 6 inquiries in 6 months. Things of that nature right there. No collections, of course, no repos, no late payments. That's a given. So that's how you get up to that 700 credit score. And that 700 credit score gets you approved for damn near any credit card. All right. So when you go to these banks and they pull your Experian, your TransUnion, your Equifax credit scores, make sure that they're high enough to get approved, and make sure that we're going through some type of pre-approval process. Now, Navy Federal business cards do not have a Navy pre-approval process, but you can go through the pre-approval process on the personal side. Even though they pull TransUnion on the personal side, they kind of match up with the approval guidelines. So usually your scores and things are the same across the board. So I would try that method first, see if you can pre-approve for a Navy Federal personal card, and then go apply for the business card. Now, in order to actually apply for the business card, there's no online application. You actually have to get a paper application online, fill it out PDF digitally, or print it and fill it out manually with an ink pen, and then drop it off to the branch, fax it, or mail it in. So it's kind of a long process. Takes about 5 to 10 days from the point that you actually send the documents in for them to get reviewed and for them to either approve or not approve you. But with these business rewards cards, they give high limits. They give limits all the way up to $150,000. Now, you guys probably want to, approve for $150,000 credit card, especially if you're a new business, especially if you're new with Navy Federal, especially if you don't have that type of money cycling through your business bank account. Now, you do need a business bank account with Navy Federal to actually get approved and apply for this card. And additionally, you will need you want to have at least some revenue starting to come in before you apply. Now, I personally don't have the Biz Go Rewards card. Let me show you the card I got for Navy Federal. Hold on a second. Go to the credit black book. Instead of having a black book full of phone numbers like the old player days, I got a black book full of credit cards, full of money. Better than phone numbers. So you see what time it is. We got American Express. We got Cabbage cards. We got a couple of Navy Federal cards. But the Biz Go Reward card, well, here's my Navy Federal business card. Navy Federal business card. Make sure I don't show y'all no numbers. But here's the business rewards. Doesn't say Go Biz, but this is the older card. This is Aspire. Expires next year. So they should be sending me this updated version in a couple of months. But like I said, no cap on this channel. We do practice what we preach. We do get the business cards. So I know what I'm talking about. But we're gonna hop inside the laptop, kind of show you, what the card physically looks like, and some more data points and some more things you want to know to make sure you get approved for the high limit without having to send in documents. All right, let's hop in. All right, as promised, we are in the machine now. So check your boy out. This is the Biz GOAT rewards card from Navy Federal on the business side. Like I already told you, it pulls from your Experian personal credit. It is not pulled from business credit. You do not need business credit established to actually get approved with this card. You need strong personal credit scores. You can get this in either a Visa or MasterCard. And there's no foreign fees. Got great travel expenses, no annual fee. So that's a plus. And the interest rates are fairly reasonable. Anything under 12 for a credit card is pretty decent. I always stress that we keep no balances, so we pay everything off in full, or keep the balance as low as possible, so you won't start racking up that debt. But like I said, they have all type of benefits for business travel, travel support, discounts, exclusive business advantages, cell phone wireless protection. It's a great thing about credit cards as well as the Amex card. They have those cell phone wireless protection plans. So instead of taking the carrier's insurance, instead of taking Verizon or T-Mobile's insurance, you take your credit cards, ensuring that you're already paying these membership fees and benefit fees, and then use that if anything ever happens to your phone, gets lost or damaged. You can be a single business owner or a multiple business owner. So this is how you apply. Of course, you already need to be having a business checking account. If you don't do that, go ahead and do that first. And then you can sign in through the portal and start, submitting documents. Like I said, you do need to actually physically print out the form and send it in. Let's see what it says. They want me to log in. I'm not going to do all that. And then once you log in, you put everything to the portal. And then, like I said, they'll communicate via email or sometimes a phone call if they do need additional documents, additional information. Like I said, it took me about 7 days to get approved. Once I sent in everything, I actually went inside the branch and handed them my application. The girl at the branch really didn't know much about the business application, so I had to call in to a specialist. So just make sure that once you go to the branch, you get somebody that's familiar with the business financial products and business checking account, because not all of them are privy to the information. All right, so that's it. That's the rewards card. See how it looks. See how it swags. And then here's, like I said, they got business checking accounts for Navy Federal, business credit cards, business loans. I have another video on this channel already of how to get into Navy Federal backdoor method. Totally legal, totally legit, totally by Navy Federal's guidelines, but they don't put this information out there on how to get in. Pretty much, everybody has some type of family that's been in the military, past, present, cousin, sister, uncle, nephew. All of those could help you get into Navy Federal. But check a link. I'm going to leave a link to that video right above for that Navy Federal backdoor hack method. And they got membership benefits for Navy Federal as well. Let's see if we can see. Like I said, they only got one business credit card. Navy Federal is not the biggest bank for business products. They are more so better for the personal side, but you can't beat a business line of credit or a business credit card that does not report to your personal credit. Cannot beat that as well. And they got vehicle loans, so you can get company cars, vehicles, and everything of that nature as well. All right, guys. So Navy Federal is great. If you have a car in your personal name, you can move that car loan over to your business side. So this is a great feature with Navy Federal as well. We'll head on out of here. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. I want to get this out to a wider audience. It helps everybody level up. And also, I want to invite you to my free Facebook group where I talk about grants and business credit products. I mention a new grant every week. So link down in the description for that Facebook group there as well. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Credit K, just like the channel name. We out.